Hi class, this week in reading we're going to continue talking about weather and we will wrap up with stormy weather this week. So our question is, how can you stay safe in bad weather? So if you can see in this picture there is some bad weather happening. I want you to talk about some weather words that are happening. On the cloud it says lightning strikes. Think about what kind of bad weather has lightning and what other things happen in bad weather like that. Now before you go to Wonders and read our story, I want you to know these vocabulary words. First, the word is safe. When you are safe, you are not in danger. So an example would be, I feel safe when I am with my family. I want you to talk to your grown-up about what helps you feel safe and why, and how you can be safe in a storm. The other word is prepare. When you prepare, you are ready for something. For example, a runner can prepare for a race by stretching. How do you prepare for school each morning? Maybe you have breakfast, maybe you first get out of bed, do a couple of stretches. Talk about how you are prepared for school each day. On Wonders today, you're going to listen to Waiting Out the Storm. I want you to think about the weather happening in the story and if it is a true story or make-believe. This week we will just be reviewing letters that we've already learned, so I want you to look at these three pictures and think about what sound is the same in these words. Exit, egg, elevator. Exit, egg, elevator. Now our first picture with the exit sign may give us a clue. That first letter is the same in each word. What is the letter? E, and what sound does E make? Eh. We've only learned the short E sound, so our sound is eh. Now look at these three pictures. Football, fire, 5. Football, fire, 5. What sound is the same in these words? The sound at the beginning of all three words is F, and the letter that makes this sound is F. Look at these three pictures. Hippo, hand, helicopter. What sound is the same? What letter makes the sound? H. Good job. All right, now I've got 4 sentences for us with lots of sight words in it, so we should be able to figure out what these sentences say. So I want you to try to read with me. Look at the first one. S-H-E, she was with the queen. Read it again. She was with the queen. The next sentence. A-R-E, are. Are you little? Are you little? What is different in this sentence than the one before? What's at the end? That is a question mark. So if you're asking someone a question, we end our sentence with a question mark, and our sentence sounds a little bit different than a regular sentence with a period at the end. Our third sentence, he can see a little barn. He can see a little barn. And our last one, read it by yourself. This sentence also has a question mark, so you should have heard, is my dog little? Good job, guys. Continue working on all of your sight words. We are supposed to know all 40 by the end of 3rd quarter, so keep working extra hard on those. Go on Wonders and do the activities, and then finish your workbook.